Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to politics. He is a famous politician with a net worth of $10 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau. Just in true. Doe. Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau is the Prime Minister of Canada, known for his progressive policies. He has served as a prominent leader on the global stage since taking office in 2015. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.